Introducing the JuanaPack automatic pre-roll packing machine, designed to package pre-rolls into tubes, trays, or jars on a single modular platform. Integrate seamlessly with the JuanaRoll or to your existing pre-roll production equipment as part of your packaging line or as a standalone solution for batch processing and loading finished pre-rolls in bulk. The JuanaPack is an automatic rotary filling and packaging system engineered to orient, load, and package cannabis pre-rolls into a wide range of rigid containers such as pre-roll tubes with your choice of cap styles, pre-roll jars, or retail trays by adding robotic handling. After the pre-rolls are packed in a tube, jar, or tray, we can integrate a labeling module in the machine for even better efficiency to your operation while keeping the same footprint. The JuanaPack enables pre-roll producers next-level customizability and efficiency while maintaining a small footprint. Contact us today to see how you can integrate the JuanaPack into your operations and get ahead of your pre-roll automation needs of tomorrow.